All right, YouTube, this is part 4. We're gonna have to take off our whole pedal assembly to put on the new parts. Put on these new parts. So the first thing we had to do is put the 2-jaw puller up here. Then you just get to cranking it. And look at that, it comes off super simple. If you have the right tools. If you don't have that tool, it's gonna take you 10 years to get this piece off. There's our first pedal. All right, go. So right here, there's a retaining nut holding on this pedal assembly. What we're gonna do is take a hammer and a screwdriver, and we're gonna put it on the lip right here, and then we're just gonna hammer down on it. And you just saw what happened, it spun. Yes, sir. So after using the 3-jaw puller on this side, you're able to pull the other pedal assembly off. Now we're left with this. And there we go. The axle's out. We have our bearings. There should be one here too. There it is. We're gonna grease those up, and then we're gonna install these other parts. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we gotta install our axle. So we're just gonna push it through, right there. Remember, we greased up these bearings. So we're ready to go on. It should slide right on there nice. There it is. Now these are super fine threads, so just take your time getting them on. Like, you'll think you'll have them on, but they won't be on, so just take your time. So we have our axle in, and we have our retainer nut here. You want to tighten this thing until you have like that perfect amount of play in there. You don't want it binding. Where it's supposed to be. We're going to take our sprocket and our pedal that has a square hole in it. All it does is slide on here. Slide on this square part. And that's on. We're on. Last part. We take our other pedal, go 180 degrees opposite of it. Right there, and we're on. Then we just put our nuts on. You tighten down your nuts tight. And that's all there is to it, to changing the actual pedal assembly. Here we go.